Are you ready for mind abacus?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, first question. Double digit question. 22, 55, 11, less 33, 44.
99.
Very good. Next, 11, 33, 55, less 88, 55.
66.
Next, one digit questions. 2, 2, less 3, 3, 5, less 6, 5, less 2, less 1, 2, 1, 1.
9.
Next, 3, 1, less 1, 5, less 2, 3, less 5, less 1, less 2, 3.
4.
Very good. Next, 4, 5, less 4, 2, 2, less 6, less 3, 2, 2, 5.
9.
Very good.
Thank you.